Okay, I got a 2023 Toyota Camry. Show you how to do the cabin air filter. Remove all of your paperwork, and the cabin air filter door is right there. So you can use this tab, push it in, pull it out, and then from there, okay, so I'm not really sure how to get this off, but this is how I did it. Just popped it off like that. So right here, pop it off, and then that comes off. You may be doing something with these, but I couldn't get it to work, so that's how I did it. And then this is the cabin air filter. So, I mean, it's pretty dirty. You can try to clean it out yourself or replace it. If you want to replace it, I will link a filter in the description. And then just make sure when you put it back in that you have the air facing up. Yeah, that's how you do it. Let me know if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.